Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today it's about resto mods. If you don't know what a resto mod is, well basically it's restoring a vehicle to some capacity, but then adding something modern, something new to it to bring it to 2024 standards. Now resto mods are really taking this country by storm, and in the last few years the prices have just soared. Now I was always raised to keep it a numbers matching vehicle, and I don't know what the audience thinks, but numbers matching, meaning it's the original engine, original transmission, original other components, maybe all tracked by a serial number, and that would hold the value of the vehicle. Well, today I guess you just throw that shit right out the door because resto mods are the thing. Follow Meckham. Look at what resto rods are bringing at the auctions. Way more than a numbers matching vehicle. Please let me know what you think. A company in Texas called Vigilante does restorations of older Jeeps. For example, a full restoration, bringing it back to original like it came out of the factory, is $145K. Now you want a few upgrades, maybe replace it with a little newer modern engine, upgrade the brakes, put a nice stereo in it, and a full restoration, $175K. Now let's get to the resto mod. Let's say we want to put a Hellcat engine in an old Jeep and restore it. Now you're talking $275. Woo! So they have to bring more money at the auctions because they're charging a fortune to resto mod a vehicle. Now getting into the resto mod, that's something I would love to do, but at the same time I got to break all the rules. Back here I've got my 356. I've got two engines for it, the original, and then I've got a 59 engine that's completely rebuilt. If I put the 59 engine in it, what does that do? Does that help the value or decrease the value? In my old school of thought, it killed it. What if I resto mod this thing? What if I put some type of fuel injection engine in it? You go by today's standards, that would increase the value of the old 356. So I guess it really depends on the buyer and what they think, but resto mods are here to stay. As far as converting them to EVs, well, that's kind of been put on the back burner. People still want performance and they want to smoke the tires. The EV stuff is going to come back for these older vehicles like this Porsche back here, but until the prices come down, until you get some performance, then it's not worth it. Well, I hope you like the content. We'll talk more about resto mods in the future. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.